What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a double-sided copy on your Epson Ecotank printer. So today guys I'm using an Epson Ecotank ET-2900 series, and the first thing we are going to want to do is make sure that we do have a control panel able to do this. This is the easiest method to do a double-sided copy guys, and it's going to guide you through all the steps to do so. If you don't have a control panel on your screen guys, I'd recommend maybe finding another video guys. We have another video on our channel showing you how to do it without having a control panel. But if you do have one guys and you have a different model of Ecotank, that's completely okay. They all have the same software and hardware. So just stick around and I'm going to show you how to do a double-sided copy. The first thing we need guys is something double-sided to copy. So we have this lovely bit of sheet music here guys. If you know what this is, you're the goat, okay? So what first thing we want to do guys is open up our scanner, because that is how the printer knows what to copy. And we're going to place our sheet of paper that we want to copy. We're going to place the first side that we want to copy. So this is the beginning of the document, face down on the glass, guys, and this way. So here is the marker. And as you can see, guys, this means this is like the correct side up. So this is where the top of your document should go, is where these markers are at the top. So we're going to close the scanner lid. And we are going to go onto our home page and we are going to find copy guys. It should be the first one. If not, have a little scroll around and press OK. So we are going to go here guys. There are a few options. Ignore them and go to more. So we're going to press OK here and press OK again to go to print settings guys. And we're going to press down. And here we can see 1 to 2 sided. We want to click on that guys. You might already be on 1 to 1 sided. You should be on 1 to 2 sided. So press the down button and press OK. And then press portrait if that's what you want, and left edge. So it's like normal. So those are the settings that you need guys. That is literally it. We're going to press back and now we can see our settings are there, and we're going to press this button to start our copy. And it says place sheet 1 on the scanner glass, which we've already done, and press this button. So we're going to press that. It's going to scan guys, and it's going to start actually printing on our first side of paper. And now it says place sheet 2 and then press the button. So you can do this while it's printing guys. So we're going to take the lid off and we are going to place sheet 2. We're going to flip it around like this guys, so the orientation is correct, and make sure it's on the top left corner so we get the best scan possible. And we're going to press this button again, and now guys it's going to copy and print our document. It does this really quick guys. I'm really surprised at how quick it can copy and print something, but here we go. Maybe because it's black and white it's a lot quicker, but here we go guys. And as we can see, bada bing bada boom, we have our double-sided copy. But that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If this did help, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. That would help us out so much. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.